time!
In the forest by a sparkling stream, our bathtub stands beneath the trees. The children shout, it's bath time now, and creatures come with happy squeals. Bear, beaver, raccoon, frog, deer, and owl line up in a row. They know that washing every day helps them to grow. Splash, splash, scrubby-dubby-dub, we wash our paws and hands. With forest friends we learn and play on sunny days and under stars so grand. First comes Bear with fluffy fur, he's swimming like he loves to do. Black bears are wonderful swimmers, they can paddle far and through. Right behind is Beaver, gnawing branches with his strong front teeth. He builds a dam and lodged and dives beneath the bat to rinse his cheeks. Splash, splash, scrubby-dubby-dub, we wash our paws and hands. With forest friends we learn and play on sunny days and under stars so grand. Raccoon dips his food in water, feeling textures with his clever paws. He knows that soaking makes it easier to tell its size and shape because water wakes the nerves inside his skin and helps him feel so much. He laughs and scrubs his little mask, his bubbles pop and crunch. Frog hops in with a cheerful croak, his skin is thin and smooth. He doesn't drink like we do, he breathes and drinks through skin that moves. Splash, splash, scrubby-dubby-dub, we wash our paws and hands. With forest friends we learn and play on sunny days and under stars so grand. Deer leaps gracefully into the tub, splashing water high and wide. White-tailed deer can bound at 30 miles an hour and swim with pride. He shakes his ears and washes his nose, his sense of smell is guide. Cleaning hooves and handsome spots while droplets fly aside. Owl watches from a branch above, her big round eyes so wide. She turns her head to look around, nearly all the way behind. Surprise, her eyes can't move inside the sockets, her neck must twist and turn. She hoots and flaps and cleans her wings, a lesson we all learn.
Time.
Splash, splash, scrubby-dubby-dub, we wash our paws and hands. With forest friends we learn and play on sunny days and under stars so grand. Now everyone is squeaky clean, the stars begin to gleam. We wrap ourselves in cozy towels and share a forest dream. We learn that Bear can swim so far and Beaver builds with skill. Raccoon feels better with water on his paws and Frog drinks through the skin still. Deer can leap and swim and Owl can twist her neck around with care. Bath time is a joyful time we love to share.